Crypto Underground is back with a big update on XRP, guys, and also the first ever decentralized exchange on top of XRP. It is called DXRP. This is going to be a completely new coin and also decentralized exchange on top of XRP, guys. So after Solana launched Jupiter and Ethereum had its Uniswap, now also XRP is bringing out their own DEX, so their own decentralized exchange, and this could be huge, guys. So this one has just started today, a couple of hours ago. They have announced it here over on X, and I have discovered this coin also because you can see that this is not only the first and only IDO on top of XRP. Also right now we can buy it during the pre-market phase at this price, and the listing price will be much higher, guys. So of course no financial advice, high risk with those new projects and those new coins, but this one here is definitely one that you should not ignore. It is called DXP, the ticker, and this is going to be running on the XRP ledger. And the cool feature is that even if you're just putting, for example, $100 or $1,000, you can calculate here how much gains you could do. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, no promises, no financial advice, guys, but I'm buying into this one because I think that here also the upside potential is huge, but of course no guarantees, nothing. But this is the first one on XRP, guys. This is first of its kind. And here also on the calculator you can see how much gains in theory you could make depending on what is your investment. And even if the listing price would be lower than the one that they are expecting, then still you can make here some nice gains if they're launching, and of course if this one is coming out. This is of course important, but if everything goes well, then of course here we have a great product and a great project to invest in right now, at least if you want to follow my buyers, because I am buying into this coin right now, guys. The first stage has started. If you want to invest into this one, link is right here in the video description. I'm gonna put it at the top. Of course be subscribed here because I keep you updated with whatever new coins I have discovered. And of course also for XRP I'm extremely bullish, since after this multi-year consolidation phase here, finally we have seen the breakout to the upside, and in theory this gives a breakout target for XRP at around $10. Currently it is trading at around $2, and of course we will not immediately reach $10. Those kind of patterns that took years to break out will take of course also years to reach that target. But if everything goes well with XRP, then of course we should expect that also new projects, especially the first projects that are coming out on top of XRP, are going to be bullish and of course successful. At least this is what I'm expecting. If you want to follow me, use the link in the video description, guys, to join of course the pre-market phase. They are getting started. The first day they already have raised $250,000, and the next round is around the corner. Of course every week the price will increase until the listing price, and then it will be dropped out on exchanges. The more you buy, of course, the more bonus you will get. As you can see, $150 is the minimum to get a 3% bonus, but you can of course also just buy in with $10, $20, $50, whatever amount that you want, guys. But the more you putting in here, the more bonus you will get. For example, if you put here $1,000, let me see here, if you put for example $1,000, you will get a 15% bonus, and so on. So depending on how much you're buying, of course you get some extra bonus. There is no staking at the moment, only later on, once the decentralized exchange is out, we're gonna have a staking mechanism on the coin. We can of course pay less fees using the coin. You are invited on special events and benefit from other things if you're holding this utility coin, of course, in the future on this XRP decentralized exchange. So the same story, the same thing like Uniswap or also Jupiter on Solana. Back in the days, everyone that have invested into those coins in the early stage, especially in the pre-market phase, they got rich. Of course, this is no guarantee, guys. You can also lose everything, but I'm buying in here, and I bought right now $162 because I had them laying around here, and I'm gonna buy definitely more. But this is just I wanted to test it out, and I also got my bonus here. So I bought 31,000 coins, and 900 I got as a bonus as well. So everything is perfectly fine. And also whenever someone is buying, there is also here a pop-up that is coming up, and even when you are buying, of course, you're gonna see immediately your purchase as well. The minimum is $80. I just have seen that, guys, because I bought anyway for $160, but $80 is the minimum. I'm seeing that right now. And yeah, just connect your wallet like always. You can also connect your Solana wallet if you want. Just click here, connect, and then you just have to basically buy with Solana, with Ethereum, with whatever coin that you want. Apparently I'm not logged in here with my Solana wallet, but anyway, you can of course use just a normal MetaMask, for example. You don't have to connect both wallets, but usually I'm connecting both of them. Yeah, that's it, guys. Very easy and simple. Be the first ones that are investing into this coin like me. If you want to follow me, otherwise, of course, you can do your own research. You can also buy into other stuff. I don't like XRP too much, guys, for the coin itself, but I like to trade XRP. You can love it or hate it, but if you're just dated, so if you're just trading it, then of course you can also make some nice gains here. I love Bitcoin, you know that, guys, but I like to make some gains with those meme coins, altcoins, and of course also with XRP, especially if the opportunity is here to be in such a huge project since day one. So don't miss out, guys. This DXP, this is the ticker. You're gonna find the link in the video description here right at the top. You don't have to miss out, guys, because this one has just started, and of course no staking rewards, nothing during the pre-market phase. You can just directly buy the coin, and of course if you spend a certain amount you get a bonus here. I got also this 3% bonus, and yeah, probably I'm gonna buy more, but you see here also based on the calculator here, if you're buying early in, of course you're running much more risk, but if this one is coming out at 35 cents at least, and maybe it's even pumping, then of course here we have a great opportunity, same like we had with Uniswap, Jupiter, and so on. Check it out, guys. Links in the video description. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. We're also gonna do future giveaways, maybe at 200 subscribers, who knows. We're gonna do $100 giveaway, so make sure to be subscribed here. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one, Crypto Underground. I keep you updated on this new decentralized exchange on top of XRP, the first one, guys, as well, updated. So stay tuned, be subscribed. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one, Crypto Underground. Over for now.